What's up, you guys? It's Alan back in my car. So my friend Manoj is down in India, and I think I saw him last about a year ago. So I'm now getting out of work and heading out to the hotel that he's staying at. It's just like a 5-minute drive from where I work at. What's up? Where's my sneakers? Get the fuck out of there. Alright, so as Manoj goes for his shower, I've got what is probably the most hated Jordan 1s so far. I think safe to say the most hated Jordan 1 in 2019, but I think also the most hated overall. As for me, I really love the Jordan 1 silhouette, so I had to get another one. Not still in the meeting though. And the reason I picked this up is because Dubai, Manoj come from Dubai, right? And Concepts had the Satin drop and also the LA to Chicago Jordan 1s. Those are like crazy drops, and this was sitting on shelves at a discount, so I was like, a Jordan 1 in my size at a discount? Why the hell not? Any guesses which one I got? The Air Jordan 1 Define Couture. Now, there's been a lot of controversy around this pair. I don't know, the lighting's pretty dull because it's all yellow lights. But yeah, there's been a lot of controversy around this pair because somebody posted a picture of the toe box being creased and it looked really bad, really damaging. That's owing to the leather not being your typical shattered backboard, bread or royal quality leather, and also the controversy of the quality on the stripe being really bad. But hey man, at a discount, the Jordan 1 silhouette, I don't care because I'm a big fan of this red stripe, and there was no real explanation given for the red stripe. Some people said it's because of the band concept or like a tape being hit on the swoosh, while others say that it's probably inspired by racing stripes or racing car stripes, which is why the kind of leather used in this pair as well is a little different. It's supposed to be a little more premium, a little more luxurious, but then the smell test on a Jordan 1 as always. Let's get into the sneaker details now. You have an all sail midsole and outsole, your typical Air Jordan 1 regular sole. Like I was saying, the leather on this pair is very different. You have this red tape that's like painted on. It's not got even edges actually, it looks quite badly done, more like a DIY project. But what's interesting is that the tongue too is all leather on this pair, and your tab here as well is leather. The back of the tongue is like a neoprene. The lining, very different. The lining is more like the homage to home lining, I guess. And then of course your red insole that looks shiny, like almost satin-like. Even the laces are a little textured, unlike what you find on a regular Air Jordan 1. Nothing much I can tell you about the sneaker. There's tons of videos already on the internet. I personally love this pair and I would have scored it at retail if I had the opportunity. Let me know in the comments, would you still rock with the Jordan 1 if it's got bad leather? I think the leather is just a different kind of leather. It's not really bad leather. We'll have to see how it creases. I don't care if it creases ugly. I just love the sneaker. I'm gonna slip this on feet to show you what they look like, but that will probably be after we get out and go get dinner. If you're new to the channel, of course, subscribe. And if you love Jordan 1s, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one, you guys. Peace. Ooh, Manoj also got me some Oak Heart Bacardi rum from duty free and some smokes, but hey, smoking is injurious to health.
I like everything about you.
Like one of the best bars I've had.
about you.